Hey everyone, welcome back to One Reply. If you're sending money from the USA to Mexico, let me make it super simple for you. The website link is in the description. It's been providing trusted money transfer services since 2011. And yes, it's my affiliate link, so thanks for supporting the channel by using it. Once you reach the site, create an account, then log in. Choose Mexico as your destination country, type in the amount, and select your delivery method: bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Now, pay close attention here. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as shown on their ID. Double-check the CALEB number. It must have 18 digits, no more, no less. If your transfer goes under review, complete the verification fast to avoid delays. Most transfer issues come from tiny mistakes, wrong names, wrong CALEB, or slow verification. So take a minute to review everything before hitting send. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.